Hey, what up? We in Vonte's world.
Monte's world.
Vonte's world. We're just living in it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. It's your world, it's my world, it's our world. And welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. I had to change up the intro a little bit. It's gonna make sense to y'all in a minute. Cause I got some things coming to this channel. In my other video, I showed y'all my empty apartment tour. And now it's furnished. You know what I'm saying? I still got some stuff to do, still got some more furniture to get, still gotta get some more artwork and everything, but for right now, it's good. So I'm gonna be showing y'all that in this video. I'm gonna also be showing y'all some other stuff that's in this apartment complex, you know what I'm saying? Some little amenities and you know what I'm saying, the vibe, so y'all can know what it is. Let me just walk through real quick, show y'all what's going on, you know what I'm saying? Show y'all what's going on, how I do it over here. So first we're gonna come to the pool and shit over here. Back rooms over here. So when you wanna just chill and kick it, you can go in there. Show y'all this real quick. You know what I'm saying? You can come back here, chill, vibe out, you know what I'm saying? You got the pool right here, you know what I'm saying? Nice pool, little sitting area over here. Come chill, kick it. Got the doors go up over here, so it's like outdoor, indoor vibes, you know what I'm saying? See what's going on out here. You got the hot tub over here. Chilling in there. Sauna over here, you know what I'm saying? This sauna over here, so we got the detox on, steam out. Let's see, turn it on. Yeah, so we got the sauna over here, you know what I'm saying? So you need to come in and detox, you know what I'm saying? Purify your system. Got that going right there, so you got the, let's see, turn this shit off. We just got some bathrooms over here, regular shit, you know. We keep walking to show y'all what else is all in the apartment building shit. Oh, so we got the gym over here, you know what I'm saying? So here's the gym right across from the pool. So you know what I'm saying? You get a good workout in, you know? All good, great amenities. You got everything over here that you need to get a good full body workout in, you know what I'm saying? You got the weight bench over here. By the way, I still haven't even used this gym yet because I've just been so busy, been doing so much shit, but I for sure gotta make a schedule because I want to start coming like every day. So you got the good gym up here, you got everything you need in this place, you know what I'm saying? Everything you need in here, you know what I'm saying? Got the good mirror over here, catching the vibes. But yeah, man, y'all see what's going on out here. This is nothing regular. This is big luxury living, you know what I'm saying? Big luxury lifestyle, so you know what I'm saying? That's what the vibes is. And, oh, we got the punching bag over here too. And we got the gloves. You see, so get the hands right. You know what I'm saying? We got the jump rope right there. Got the jump rope right there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but we're gonna keep walking through because that's not it. You know what I'm saying? And by the way, this building is brand new. It's still some stuff that's coming that it's not finished yet. Like it's gonna be a full restaurant inside the apartment building, but it's not done yet, so I can't show y'all that. But let me see, we keep walking down some more shit I'm gonna show y'all. You gotta come in here and get your business done. We got the little office space right here, you know. Also a little sitting area down here too. Then we got big outdoor spacing out there, you know what I'm saying? And this is the club room right here. So also little spaces out here, nice, you know. Big luxury style, nice furniture, all that. Got a nice big table with the kitchen back here too. And then these doors open up too, so this can be outdoor space and all this will be outdoor. Turn into an outdoor space. Another little same area over here. Big fireplace, it ain't on right now because it's summer. You know what I'm saying? It's already hot still. But then you got the big TV over here. Then we keep coming back here, you know what I'm saying? We got the top secret, motherfucking poker room, poker championship over here, card room, whatever you want to call it. You know what I'm saying? The high stakes gambling. Nah, let me stop playing. But yeah, this the little back area over here. You know what I'm saying? When you want to get a game in, you know what I'm saying? Make a little extra little side bets. But yeah, this is the kitchen over here. Y'all can see, got a big, nice big stove and all that. Little coolers down low. Oven, dishwasher, sink, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? So
this is not nothing regular, man. This is not no regular shit. This is luxury style living. So, you know what I'm saying? This is the vibes that I'm gonna be bringing y'all for the summer. But now that I showed y'all all the amenities and shit, and it's still some shit that I didn't show y'all. So wait, I gotta show y'all a couple more things. Hold on. Theater. I think they still working on this. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get in here. Let's see. Yes, it's locked. We can't get in here. So yeah, they still working on this right here. But as y'all can see, there's a theater in here. And when I first moved in, they showed it to me. So I saw what it looked like. It's nice and big. So when they get it finished, I'll show it to y'all in another video. But yeah, we got the movie theater in here. Let me see. So these gonna be like some storefronts in here. There's gonna be some storefronts in here as well. Alright, y'all, so now I showed y'all all the amenities, you know what I'm saying, that's in the apartment building. Now I'm gonna go hop on the elevator and show y'all my apartment furnished. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, still got some stuff to do, still got some more pieces to get, some more art, all that stuff. So we ain't nearly done with it, but I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking. It made it look way better than it did in the first video. Alright, so yes sir, nigga blessed, you know what I'm saying? Young nigga blessed. Thank God. Yeah, y'all already seen, I already showed y'all all this shit. So bathroom, you know what I'm saying? I got my little shit right there. You know what I'm saying? It might not be clean, so I ain't gonna show y'all everything, you know what I'm saying? But that's bathroom right there, you know. I already know what's going on. We got the big stupid ass tub. We got the, you know what I'm saying, double, we got the big shower head, you know what I'm saying? The big waterfall shower head with the attachment and shit. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have a couple niggas, girls over here in the tub, you know what I'm saying? Taking a hot bubble bath. I'm over here, got my little island section over there, got the little chairs and shit. You know what I'm saying? A little sitting area. You know what I'm saying? So we can sit, chill, have some drinks. Probably gonna get some more stools to put over here, but yeah, that's what it's looking like right now. And over here we got the couches and the TV and shit set up over here. I gotta get another TV because something happened to my TV when I was moving in, I think. So it's not working right now. So I wanted to get a bigger TV anyway. So yeah, so I'm gonna just get a bigger TV and then I'm gonna get it mounted on the wall and shit. And then you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna get like a nice little rug right here, put it in the middle. I'm gonna take that table, put it in the middle and shit. Give me like a nice little centerpiece for the table. Get a nice little centerpiece for the island too. And you know, I ain't got no type of art going. Well, I got a little bit of art, you know. This is actually my photograph that I took myself. And you know what I'm saying, we got a little, got my clock on the wall and shit, but I wanna get some more motherfucking artwork to show y'all, you know what I'm saying? I mean, not to show y'all, but to have in my apartment and just, you know what I'm saying, bring some colorfulness to it, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, so that's the living room, that's how it's looking right here. Show y'all the view real quick, what the views is from my, so I can see right to the pool and right to the jacuzzi. So, you know what I'm saying? So when the vibes is out and the thotties is out at the pool, I can literally from my apartment see what's going on, scope it out, and then I'm like, oh, we own it. So, you know what I'm saying? That's the type of time we be on. As soon as the thotties come out, shit, I'ma come out, you know what I'm saying? But then we over here, you know what I'm saying? Got the studio going, you know what I'm saying? Got the studio set up over here. Real nice, because we're gonna be making some hits, some bangers in this motherfucker. So, got my little shit set up in there. Yeah, man, like I said, man, that's it for this video. Hope y'all like the video, man. I'm out of here.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel. Because like all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your Majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king.